Hi, do you ever wonder why your phone uses so much data? Let's look at the 6 smart tips to manage it better. First, know where your data gets consumed the most. To manage data better, always check which apps are using it the most. Many apps consume data in the background for updates, syncing, or notifications. Spot them and take action quickly. To do so, open Mobile Settings. Depending on your mobile, use the search bar at the top to quickly find any setting by typing the keyword Data Usage. Alternatively, tap on Connections to continue. Select Data Usage and then tap on Mobile Data Usage to view which apps use the most data and manage them. Now, scroll down to view the top data-using apps. Second, manage video quality during streaming. Streaming videos in high resolution consumes more data. You can reduce usage by adjusting the video quality. For example, while playing a YouTube video, tap on Settings and select a lower video quality. Steps may vary depending on the app, but most of the popular video apps let you control data usage by adjusting video quality. Turn on Data Saver in video apps to stream at lower quality and save mobile data. Alternatively, manually set a lower resolution for consistent low data usage. Most streaming apps let you adjust video quality. Always choose a lower resolution to reduce data use. Third, manage download settings for WhatsApp. To save data on WhatsApp, disable auto download of media when not on Wi-Fi. Open WhatsApp and go to Settings. Tap on Storage and Data. Then select When using mobile data. Uncheck content types you don't want to auto-download. You can always download them manually when needed. Tap on OK to proceed. Fourth, manage auto-update settings in Play Store. App updates can consume a lot of data in the background. When auto-update is on, apps get automatically updated. Turn it off and update apps only when necessary to save data. Tap on Menu and go to Settings. Go to Auto Update Apps. Uncheck Update all apps over Wi-Fi or mobile data and select Update over Wi-Fi only to update apps using Wi-Fi. Fifth, manage auto backup and sync on cloud applications. Apps like Google Photos or Google Drive automatically backup and sync data, which can consume mobile data in the background. Turn this off and backup only when needed. For example, go to Google Photos. Tap on the menu. Select the Settings option. Scroll down and select Mobile Data Usage. To save data, disable backup videos over data. Sixth, manage auto-update setting on devices connected to your mobile via hotspot. Did you know that when your phone is used as a hotspot, connected devices may start downloading updates automatically? Software updates on laptops or other devices can sometimes be as large as 1 GB. For more tips, open the MyJio app. Go to JioCare. And tap on Helpful Tips to learn how to use data smartly. Thank you for watching.